Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to block user on Snapchat. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now one of the most important thing is make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you will be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, you have to tap on the Snapchat application. And here as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is move towards the upper left corner, and right on top there you can see a user ID. Just tap on it. So now on this particular page, there you have info about the application, and here you can see there is your username, and under username there you have different options. Now you have to tap on the third option, which is my friends. So here as you can see that I only have one friend, so in your case there will be a lot of friends. So right on top there you can see a search bar, so you need to enter the certain person's name to whom you want to block. For example, I'll just go with the first one. Now in order to block this person, all I have to do is long press on the user ID. So as soon as you press on it, there is a pop-up window. So from here you have to tap on the first option, which is manage friendship. Just tap on it. So as soon as I press on it, there is another pop-up window. Now from here you can see on the second step there is an option called block. So in case if you have made up your mind, and in case if you want to block them, just tap on block. Here you can see once again there is a confirmation. So in case if you want to block it, just tap on block. And now you'll not be able to receive any certain kind of update or snap on your Snapchat account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.